Hey, good Monday afternoon, everyone. It's kind of a different day out there today. It is not as nice as it has been lately, that's for sure. Late rain and drizzle and muggy conditions out there this afternoon. Let's take a look at what's going on. Radar's a little deceiving this afternoon because the Pittsburgh Doppler radar just went down a little while ago. It is definitely raining at least a little bit in many places. A little bit steadier in parts of Mercer and Lawrence counties, again, even though the radar's not showing that. Even in our Ohio counties, it is just misting or drizzling in a lot of places this afternoon. So not a real nice day. We've had some breaks in the clouds here and there in central Ohio, but those have tended to fill back in this afternoon. So I think it's just going to be an overcast rest of this Monday, and you might need to bust out the umbrella a couple of times with some light rain. Rain will never get all that heavy, but there can be some mist and some drizzle from time to time. Here's a look at some backyard rain total since midnight. Some of the heavier amounts have been over in Pennsylvania, about a third of an inch. Mercer and down towards Newcastle, East Liverpool, also a little more than a third of an inch. Amounts get progressively lighter as you go off to the west through our Ohio counties. Well, the rest of the day today, again, clouds, occasional spots of light rain, drizzle, and mist. This is what you see is what you get for the rest of the day and into this evening as well. Here's a live look outside on our Window World weather camera in Boardman, where you can see the kind of murky conditions, upper 60s. Kind of muggy out there. Dew points are in the mid-60s this afternoon. As far as other local temperatures, we're in the 60s and in some spots lower 70s this afternoon, a little above average, certainly a little more humid than is typical for this time of the year. Lots to talk about for a change on weather for Weather Geeks this evening. We'll talk about the rainy afternoon that it looks like we have coming our way tomorrow and some of the forecast headaches we have coming our way kind of Wednesday through the end of the week. The end of the week could be decent or it could be just kind of lousy like today. There's a lot of computer model, shenanigans going on. So I'm going to guide you through that in Weather Geeks this evening. We'll take a look at the weekend, of course, and a look at the longer range. October may be a little cooler than we were advertising before. As we've gotten a little closer to the start of the month, the pattern is starting to show its hand, and October as a whole may not be quite as September-ish as it looked before. So we'll talk about the long-range stuff this evening on weather for Weather Geeks on my weather blog at wfmj.com/weather. Hope you have a good rest of this Monday. I'll see you this evening on 21 News at 6.